Hello friends and welcome to Computer Coder. Subscribe to Computer Coder for more coding updates. This is Java tutorial day 8. Today we're going to see about type conversions in Java. In Java, if a variable is declared in one data type, it cannot be changed after. So we use type conversion to convert one data type to another. This is very useful method to convert strings into integer, long and others. However, make sure that strings contains only the numbers. These are the reference class data types, which like a primitive data type. They have unique property of their own. We will be seeing about conversion of primitive data types. There is two methods for converting strings to another data type. Integers to string. Integer.parseInt and integer.valueOf. Integer.parseInt will return primitive integer data type and int.valueOf method will return integer object data type. Here integer is a reference class and valueOf and parseInt are the methods of the integer class. Second, strings to long. Long.parseInt and long.valueOf. Long.parseInt will return primitive long data type and long.valueOf method will return long objects. Here long is a reference class data type and parseInt and valueOf are the methods of class long. Next, strings to double. Double.parseDouble and double.valueOf are the two methods to convert strings to double. Double.parseDouble will return a primitive double data type and double.valueOf method will return a double object. Here double is a reference class and parseInt and valueOf are the methods of double. Next, to convert numbers to string. To convert double to string, we use double.toString method. To convert integer to string, we use integer.toString method. To convert float to string, we use float.toString method. First, let us create a string object. This is syntax for creating an object. We can discuss about class and object later. And creating an integer variable, and integer.parseInt will return an integer. Creating an integer object and valueOf method will return an reference class type. And changing the value of string object to some long value and applying parseLong method to primitive long and valueOf method to reference class type. Changing the value of string object to float value and changing the value of string object to some random double value. Let us print and see all the primitive types and reference class type and see the output. Let us execute the program. The value of the integer is 4 times of 1 and same as the output. The value of the long is also same. The value of the floating point is also same and same as the double. We have successfully converted strings values into respective primitive types and reference class types. Now we are going to convert numbers into strings and we are going to print the values. ToString is a method which converts number into strings. Now we are going to execute the program and see the output. The values are same as we declared before. You can see the code by clicking on the link given in the description. Thank you for watching friends. Subscribe to Computer Coder for more coding updates.